I have to be quiet because he's starting.
Hey Kaitlin, what are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, did you already start yours?
Yeah.
Gosh. This is actually how we are 24/7.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's a vlog inside of a vlog, guys. Going on Austin's channel.
Wait, hang on.
I will not put his
Yeah.
I will not put his channel in the description because I'm too lazy to. And I don't know how. So.
Okay.
He seems so sad.
Fine. I'll be the good one and include yours because I always have yours and stuff. You know, I'm gonna lay down. I'm laying down.
My hair is so messy right now.
Drip! Wait a minute. No, don't step on me. No, please don't step on me. No, stop it. Everybody's staring at your butt. Oh, girl! Am I fat? Oh, God! Okay, I'm alive. Hey, look, there's an my hand's in the camera. There's an X in the sky. Look, there's an X in the sky. Well, my necklace is in my armpit.
Hey, let's go get some treasure, guys. We are at the mark.
Don't go in the road. I don't trust you. People might discombobulate you.
What?
I don't know what that means.
I don't know what you mean.
Alright, you are officially trespassing. Wow, she went across the road to get a little dandelion thingamabob. She worked so hard for it too. She was like stretching her arm out with all of her might. You know, we have some like everywhere down here. But no, you choose to cross the road, vlogging, knowing that you could get hit by a car, knowing that that's not our property, and then you just go and reach your arm out, knowing you could get a cramp because you don't do that kind of exercise. Did I just take over your vlog? I think I took over your vlog. Did you make a wish?
No.
Oh my gosh! She's blew half of it up. Okay, you're officially trespassing again. You're trespassing? No. Kaitlin, quit trespassing. Get out of the road.
I'm a rebellious.
Alright, Katniss Everdeen. Dang it, I missed. Alright, come on. We need to do the vlog. Like we need to do we need to do. Oh my god. This is where I add the beep.
Austin died. He ran out of battery.
So we're in the backyard. This is my backyard. This is my dad's shop. There's the house. Yeah, I know, beautiful, right? I'm so rich. I'm so.
Let's just listen to Austin's babbling about random.
You know what? I'm not taking this kind of abuse from you, Kaitlin. I'm going to sit on the trampoline and hope my pants doesn't fall down during this process. Ah! Kaitlin, get over here. Oh, I look hot.
Overcoming his little.
I got your forehead in that. Your vlogs, that's your first vlog. You know what would be weird? If you were doing that wrong the whole time. And the whole time you were taking pictures instead. Oh, my face is so fat. Which YouTube channel?
If you do not know that, I feel sorry for you.
You have like 5 of them.
I only have 2.
You have 3.
Well, 3, but I abandoned one. There's the puppies!
The puppies are in a cage.
They're staring at us, just wagging their tail.
Oh, that's a car. Where's the puppies? There they are. They're somewhere back there. I ain't your mama. Girl, boy, I ain't your mama. This is getting weird. Ruff, ruff, now his roar! Bark! Oh, you think I'm too weird? Says the girl who's walking around barefooted with my brother's ex-girlfriend's shirt on. That looks like a Barbie doll threw up on her head. Hey! It's just blonde hair. Yeah. It's fake blonde hair. My blonde hair is natural. That's why my nickname is Jack. My nickname is Jack Frost.
Josh said I look like Jack Frost, the girl.
No, you look like Elsa. I look like Jack Frost. That's seriously my nickname. Okay, so Q&A. I'm just gonna ask you random questions, okay? Question number 1. How old are you?
I'm 15.
Okay, question number 2. When's your birthday?
I'm not saying that.
Why?
It's what do you call it? It's not for YouTube to know. I will say it's in December though.
I'm trying to remember what day it is.
Hey.
28th!
I'm gonna kill you later.
Okay, question number 3. Are you a country girl?
I guess I am. I live in the country, so I am.
Okay,
I have
question
country
number 4.
accent.
Are you popular?
No. I am very not popular.
Question number 5. Are you emo?
No. I'm too lazy. You see that bag?
Yeah, the bag's under your eyebrow. I so like, oh my gosh. Hey, when you do that Q&A?
What Q&A?
The Q&A I forgot to do 2 months ago.
Oh yeah.
You want to do it? Oh my gosh, it's so dark.
I still have slime on my hand.
Look at my chin.
My finger got in the way.
I don't have a chin. Yeah. This is good quality videos.
Yep. It's just random stuff.
Subscribe.
Like
her YouTube channel. Katie Does Random. Go check it out. I will have it in the link in the description.
I may have his. I don't know yet. You can just see it go.
Okay, so this is what happens when your dad's on your way and you wanted to make a gallon of fluffy slime in like 10 minutes. Look at my poor table. It's been 10 minutes and I have had to wash my hands 50 times.
It's not done.
I just missed the whole box. Oh crap, it's, oh my gosh. Oh my god. That was the hardest thing I've ever did in my life.
Says the person who barely did anything.
She ruined my table. She ruined my camouflage bucket. I am giving you a shirt. I am giving you a shirt.
Bad shaving cream was like. Don't do that.
I'll do it. I will do it. Okay, never
I'll
mind.
give me Indian burn.
Alright, let's pack up your things. As in, all of that.
Oh.
All of that. Goodbye. Oh, here's our finished product, by the way. Stick your whole hand in it.
I just washed off my hand. Are you serious?